already, so let's head out to our next hostel.
Don't offer towels, so good thing we got the travel one. Tenemos un reservación, pienso que el nombre es...
Alright, I gotta run to the bank quick to pull out some more cash because power was out all morning for the first time in a week, so let's go. We made it.
I'm out of breath. We made it to our second hotel.
In Cuenca.
I don't know how to open this.
Uh-oh. I'm sure you just pull. No? Twist and then we're locked in here.
There we go. Let's see if it on there. Let me get it. Well, it automatically locks, so that's
good.
nice.
Can't forget your key if that happens.
Yeah, if you lose a key, it's $7.
We got a sink in our room.
Hear us out. It's not as nice as the other hostel, but we get a kitchen, we get free breakfast, and it's still cheaper. So I think this is more budget friendly than the first place. And we're literally just closer to the historic center, so it actually works out really nicely.
This is our bed.
It's comfy.
It's good. Alright, ready to go get some food?
Ready to go get some food?
Go get some...
I want a different kind of food today.
We've been eating Ecuadorian food every day. But it's the best, it's just an almuerzo.
Let's get something on the way to try the secret
recipe formula soda. First drugstore in Ecuador.
That's where our walking tour guide said. He said
The first drugstore in Ecuador, and they have this recipe that only the people who work there know.
And that's why they're all really old.
Like the first recipe from when they opened up.
Cool.
Alright, let's go. How was the food?
$2.50 worth.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm full, and that's what matters.
Spaghetti and rice? Who knew?
They always eat rice with food here,
And usually French fries.
and usually French fries, but we got noodles and rice today. It's a switch up, that's what I wanted. I do really like that they bring you popcorn to eat the soup.
It's kind of new for me, but it's good.
Okay, we are now heading to the oldest pharmacy in town, and they have the secret recipe soda that is famous.
Here we are, we're trying the soda for the first time here, and why don't we just go first? Yeah, okay. Sorry for the noise for the generators on.
It's fruity, almost like a fruit punch or like a kitty cocktail, like something with grenadine.
That's a good.
But it's supposed to have medicinal benefits. We just know.
It's supposed to be helpful for like stomach issues as well as hydration. That way, if you're hungover or if you're just like after a long hike, someone just came in here and said that he gets it every day pretty much.
And you could see in the video that there was like a white powder that they put in to mix it up, so I wonder if that's like magnesium or something, but we never know.
That's the secret formula.
Next up, walk a block and a half away to the Old Cathedral and check out the museum. It is open daily, but I believe on the weekends it has shorter hours.
But
so.
cool information on it is that the Incas ruins over here, when this was conquered by the Spanish, they went and got
Stones
from the ruins from the old Incas and built it with it. So We don't know if it's just because they were the closest stones and pile of stones, or
if it was a power
it was, yeah.
All right, Catedral Antigua.
Whoa! Almost
Don't trip.
freaking smacks my shin.
Oh, here's, it says the hours here.
Nice.
These 3 bell towers were actually a gift from the Church of Germany in 1977, and they were sent here, but they couldn't get put into the new cathedral because it wasn't finished, because they were actually too large to install. So now they're in this museum, and if you'll remember from our last video of the new cathedral, they actually never completed the cathedral because of structural problems, and they wouldn't hold the bells. So, fun fact. It's a hand washing sink, so they must have put water in this reserve and then turned the tap and some water would come out, I would assume, into this, but it also says author, so I don't know if it's just a piece of art. It's crazy because if you can see, there's this painting that's kind of behind a few layers of paint, and so that must have been how it was decorated before they painted over with white.
This painting was made in 1573, and they actually found it behind the wall, this opening. I think it's the bodies of like the graves.
Should we go down there?
Yeah.
First, let's see.
All of the lights just turned off, and we decided to not go into the catacomb part.
Thank
About 2 minutes
goodness.
before. It's pitch black down. We're gonna go down there and check it out in the dark. There's a group that's going down now.
Oh, it's not as dark. There's light.
La cripta.
Yeah, it's a crypt. The dead used to be buried here.
Estos personajes famosos aquí de la ciudad de Cuenca, como Fray Vicente Solano.
¿Fue los muertos?
De los muertos.
Oh, wow.
Sí.
Just the hole in the ground, that was where they put a bunch of skulls, and they found like hundreds of them.